ebia wo taxi drive. We a taxi driver and I say upe so upe car bia would be rounds personally. Our budget near very low no. Cars we, maybe body amount. The reason why I made dream say yeah, one of the best cars I also though for personal use. And that 30,000 Ghana cedis. 30,000 Ghana cedis here saying old currency. That is 300 million, right? Sa cars where me babe born na no. So unisika kra. I was all to me to be tell. And I just an right? Yenko first one, first car maker say would beat me at a Honda Accord. Honda Accord no. Ubeta at Honda Accord EOD 2004, 2005 there no. Cool. Opeso use car way for personal use. A very cool car also to me use. A new issue be 2004, 2005 up to like 2010 no. Problems I was our cars with ball joint no. A tie to power. Aside that no, we need problem. Nice interiors, strong engine and sarcas when the Honda Accord and as I to me be GD way back in 2004 to 2010, getting to 2015. And sana almost say no my no Torin ni sanya no ani boabe din kakra, but open car be 30,000 Ghana cedis. Saka we Ghana use ubenya cheap cool kra. What I say. And I feel so car we say one of the cars I rival to Toyota Camry 2006. Ushe Toyota Camry 2006. Car we more of like rival to it. It has one of the spec out there. What we probably be Ivy Tech and fuel consumption you reduce. Car we one of the cars I introduced way back in time. Sad no reduce fuel consumption. So what I say. You call the next one. Next one is Toyota Sienna. Toyota Sienna no ubenya the year 2001 to 2003 thereabout for 30,000 Ghana cedis. Saka we den unya to we obi a wo busia anase obi a ukọ kwan so kofanya mawo villages no the back room upe car bia or the fa long journey market women they Saka we be good amount because it was 7-seater. Saka we it was 7-seater. A family type of car. It a war one din kakra. A saye car a war low price according to the year because 2001, 2004, 2001, 2002, 2003 cars as at in 2025. These are some of the cars at a very low price. Car we issue a war pa air plugs no. Say plugs in started how also some fast within 3 months 4 months also some plugs because one it's some not a cost where we fuel on a fuel prices one case when say fuel prices cost every day now plugs to me mouth fuel share also will take it care and say we will be okay to have family car because it's 7-seater to me call long journey and a car way so would come mountains near the other echo a one day and it is open car be obet me the IS animana. Toyota Sienna 2001, 2002, 2003. Very good for you. 30,000 Ghana cedi. Also to me nyabi. The next one on the list is Toyota Corolla 2002. Car we name Toyota Corolla be GD pa because Toyota Corolla back in the days no almost ship American more, but almost started by African car we mu 2019 started from 1997. Still, when him say baby na 1997 cars ne cry breeze that's work room Ghana ha even me spin test be time 1997 Toyota Corolla ni bi e wo kwan so e me be say once you trick car but esa wa hoden up to date what I say that's cars we name Toyota ebe GD e Africa especially Ghana because way back in time no cars we now mo hoden and na unya sa we Toyota Corolla 2002, 2003 for as low as 30,000 Ghana cedis. I promise you, so to me share car no so at the next 10 years, now that's we use car way. A better one because a one thing a sa flex what you say and then Toyota started bar markets into mudo musan so man can say what I say. Next one make one some year Nissan Almera 2004 thereabout 2004 2005. Nissan Almera Mamika sembichro. Ensheda nye mi fedo, but ye ka ho dia. Sa ka we very very strong enough. Maintenance for car we who very very low. Cool maintenance unhia hwe o stuff we no na wo call Charlie car we to me che manie tatan time but still engine no wo boss o anaba sa car we 2004 2005 no one of the cars are on mpirifo no eta use kakra one of the cars I say obi antumi anto akọ Nissan mana we mu omoto because first of all a family back in the day so my phone share down more into the SUV space my phone share down per SUV or Ghana sa but cars we mu dia omotumi my main car back was on this car Nissan Almera 2004 2005 up to now Ghana man for that you use Accra or use for taxi and stuff like that. Enti se wo bia wo around Kumasi mountains near the Saka we edu be kwaba ti 30,000 Ghana cedis Ghana use ubetimi nya clean perfect one in good condition. The next one on the list a Benz 300e. Sir, Benz 300e say we will be a classic executive way back in the days. Soldier for now mako retirement, immigration for fire service for police for amo mako bruchri aba Benz 300e and one of beer use burger for car pa ani classic. What you say? Car we upside now obi the sequence wa upside now like Gen Z for no omo nim car we but so bia we or millennial kakra ehwe car we or dan echika say yeah Benz the trip no I just say me start say me study Benz na me who say hey to me so many years last obi bisa me say Toyota ni Benz nye na me ka say strong car and I'm be catching say depending cars na gaza Benz obi a respect Benz until the way obesa use Benz no endru Toyota the way ni pani the three car omu three Toyota car okwan we so and endru sa what you say but Benz to me me see Benz 1990 something Benz dasu cost work cancel. The reason why to me is and say you respect car no ni boarding esa wa hoden esa wa ho Benz 1990 something Benz grad the brain na still now of fitting shop bia and one of the things I also mention will be a classic car open classic car bia opesa with the G at least with the 40 years 50 years now per car bia with the basic one, so I'll be able to show Kakrano Benz 300e good for you. Yanko next one. Enu Kia Rio 2007 model. Charlie, bra. Kia Rio 2007 models ne. One of the cars I to me the flexi Accra back in the days, like saloon car and casa sedan cars. No? These are one of the cars that came out as sedan cars, and my main car fuel saver it save no fuel bebre na 1.3 1.4 from American markets, from Asian markets when you know very good. Ghana use ubenya 30,000 Ghana cedis below kra ubetinya below 30,000 po but one of the cars are ultimately flexi a mano person mo the Corans are 2007 model a very good asset now still 30,000 ubetumi ato ebia first time ni talk for the first time unisika we bobo asika no utumi nya cute one bia but make sure say car bia obeto list we should bia udi mechanic beko manashia mom mechanical trust no because these days nanga some mechanics ni bebre na koji bribe or bribe ni we na wa dey wa ma talk afun et per mechanic so person me bo also am me mechanic wa Charlie trustworthy mechanic obehwa ma na what car fefe what you say it is Saka with a very reliable 4-seater interiors near beautiful is one of the cars Emma Kia Beji because low budget car way back and sana at now when him say car Saka way back in 2007 new around 30,000 which is 300 million back in the days and as at now cry always me the same car as the same price because car boy didn't cry and Ubia Janico cars are Nibonye din yes 30,000 Ghana cedis should be able to get Kia Rio 2007 even up to like 2010 thereabout Ghana use yes now make car say soldier for pension for near the next car on this list yes the same category of people omonomusa pesa car way soldier for pension soldier pension police, pension doctor. Sa pension for no mo pesa car we. CRV 1998 model. Cars are in microphone use because of how the car has a strength. Sa car we was strength a war one day. Way back in the in time, sa microphone on better car they don't look at the beauty of the car. No, almost share car na one because or tobacco a be chance na wa car beam. It almost share car na one almost share height of the car because almost into Ghana road. Now say na Ghana road they start to say better. In the year I think 2014 2015 thereabout and a Ghana road start to say yeah better kakra. Even on the Spinters road, most of the road now was Spinters road. I think the main Spinters road is around 2014 thereabout and a more years our roadway. Why imagine? So back in the days, they look at the road before they buy cars. So Honda CRV 1998 thereabouts, Nina Nedasu Bosu way back in 2010 2011 because road ninye and a cars we need to me maneuver or sa potholes near the other. Back in the days, cars we no more paper. As of now, this car will still go around 30,000 Ghana cedis. Still, as far as we're maintaining, so you'll be our maintaining car, or your penny phone na mu pese, upe bia, with the call family meeting, no baby, and I say, what the car sorry bar, Saka will bet me a bow. What I say, 1998 CRV, Honda CRV, very good. You got the next one on the list. Where Peugeot 206 no better on the year 2006 thereabout, which will give you 30,000 Ghana cedis. Car way very reliable. My make us back with car way comes in two different trims: the coupe one and then the sedan or the hatchback. The hatchback one, which is more common. When you 30,000 Ghana cedis, also to me correct one, I will good shape. What you say, but and you common to get you be a cars ni be na be the answer when ya because ube pese ube nya near one modern way kakra. But yeah, still good. 30,000 Ghana cedis, very reliable car. Cars with one holding perfect for you all the time. You can get it 30,000. Yes. Now the next one, Nissan Micra. Nissan Micra, still popping in market. Like what's beautiful about it? Don't look at the beauty. It be a nyofe, you'll be fair. But nipa ne dwen who say, oh, car we bet me a boy me or sad wa me you. And what they need to say. Sanya ma we na man for a yuzu. So be upe car be a bet me a generous one mouth. Only problem be as one of the cars are also to me grabbing no 30,000. Bet me a Ghana use. Cars na mabubo body in a Ghana use. Uka brochria duty baba count. Duty no subebe na comes with penalty taxes. Eti ube how it's na make us a list no. Yen focus to Ghana price. I mean Ghana use. What you say? Cars na mabodi na nye yo spec pa no comment wo mami comments was comment section no say we they will drive it bida and I say unim obi a drive bi a waka no ehu asem achro. And na face who say list no share car bia 30,000 thereabouts. So share na man fan kan one drop your comment section. And na face make sure say comment na be drop and very legit. And your comments bia you be kwa correct kan na ye nya binto. What you say? Drop a comment, comment legit one. Once a video, my tree throughout the whole video. Make sure say me next videos nina no make more tree. Sana man force me yo. Yes, it's more tree will be coming. Yenko. Yes. I'll see you in the next one. I go by the name Rev Baby. I'll see you in the next one. Pow.